Hello friends, welcome to the toolscorner.com videos. Is papaya good for diabetes? Today let us find out the correct nutrients present in the fruit, its benefits that follows with a healthy recipe. Let us begin. Papaya, an exotic fruit with numerous health benefits, contains natural antioxidants, making it an excellent fruit for people with diabetes. 100 gram of papaya fruit contains about 1.8 gram fiber, 39 calories, 9.81 gram carbs, 0.61 gram protein and 61.8 mg of vitamin C. It is also rich in folate, vitamin A, B and E, magnesium, copper, potassium, lycopene and pantothenic acid. It contains an enzyme pepin that helps in proper digestion, heals the skin and is useful in controlling bed sores. Now let us see the benefits of eating papaya. Papaya reduces the risk of obesity, heart disease and diabetes, promotes healthy skin and hair, increases energy and reduces weight. It has a high amount of fiber and water that prevents constipation and promotes digestion. Consuming papaya high in fiber may improve blood glucose, insulin and lipid levels. People with diabetes are prone to many health hazards like heart and nerve damage that causes irregular blood sugar levels, and consuming papaya provides a better life. It lowers blood pressure. The fiber, potassium and vitamins present in papaya helps in the prevention of heart disease. It has a low glycemic index and it contains low amount of sugar, that is 5.9 grams and 9.81 gram carbs in 100 gram of ripe papaya. It reduces many lifestyle health conditions like cancer and bone fractures. Now let us prepare papaya smoothie for diabetics. Please note down the ingredients. You need ripe papaya 1 cup chopped, orange half cup chopped, ginger 1/4 teaspoon grated and water half cup. Note down the method. Add all the ingredients into a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour it into a glass and serve. It can be concluded that incorporating papaya in your regular diet would be an excellent choice for people with diabetes, since it has numerous health benefits and controls blood sugar levels too. Thank you.